In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and restore deleted files from your Dropbox account. Whether you're using the Dropbox website or the desktop app on Windows or Mac, recovering your files is a breeze. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Dropbox website and log into your account. If you're more comfortable using the desktop app, you can follow these steps in a similar fashion there, but we'll be concentrating on the website interface for this guide. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar of your screen, where you'll see a menu of options. Navigate to the section labeled Files, and from there, look for Deleted Files or Show Deleted Files. This is where Dropbox keeps track of the files you've removed. Now, while you're on the web interface, you might need to toggle a specific filter to make those hidden files visible. It's usually located in the right sidebar and may be referred to as See Deleted or something similar. A helpful note from a Reddit user pointed out that toggling this filter can reveal files you thought were lost for good. Once you've clicked the filter and selected to view deleted files, you'll see a list of your removed files and folders. These are typically marked with a trash icon or appear grayed out, signaling that they are no longer active in your current Dropbox folder. Take a moment to review the items listed. Carefully scroll through and identify the file or folder you wish to restore. After you've identified and selected the file or files you want back, look for a button labeled Restore. Clicking this will promptly return the selected files to their original location in your Dropbox folder. This simple action effectively breathes new life into those files, resurrecting them back to where they were before you deleted them. It's important to note, especially for those who are using Dropbox's desktop app, that after restoring your files on the website, you can also open your local Dropbox folder on your computer. Doing so allows the restored files to sync back to your device, ensuring you have access both online and offline. And there you have it. Whenever you find yourself needing to recover deleted Dropbox files, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Whether it's for personal use or business, understanding how to manage and restore your files is an invaluable tool. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that your important data is never lost forever. Thank you for watching, and happy file managing.